How to bring back old right-click. Context menu in Windows 11. Open Command Prompt. Run as administrator. Enter the command as shown. You can copy from the video description. We have added a registry value. Now we will restart the Windows Explorer by following command. And it's done. You can see old right-click context menu. If you want to undo changes and go back to Windows 11 context menu, we have to delete the registry value we have added. Just run the command as shown. You can copy from my video description. We have to restart the Windows Explorer for it to make changes. There's also a temporary way for doing this. Just press Shift while right-clicking. You can copy the commands from my video's description. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel.